What's going on, guys? Matt Schaeffer back here with another Musaic radar and laser stealth build for you. This one in an Alfa Romeo Stelvio. So let's go ahead and check it out. Since I said it was stealth, the front sensors are going to be stealthed in. We're going to make pods 3D printed. We're going to scan the front of this bumper. We're going to create 3D printed pods that are going to house the separate sensors in order to keep everything fully integrated. So on the front we have 4 sensors in total. We have AL priority for the laser defense. We have 2 RX, 2 TX. We're going to have 2 pods right here, center mass, up at the top. So there's going to be a RX, TX, or I'm sorry, the TX is on the outside, RX is on the inside. So the 2 receives there in the center, 2 TXs on the outermost part of that front end. And that's going to cover this whole front end pretty well. We did do testing, which you will see at the end of this video, so hang around for that. The front radar receiver is going to be right here behind the bumper. We used the Redenzo unit, RCM, and now let's go check out the back. As far as the back goes, same thing, 2 RX, 2 TX. This is a Canadian vehicle, so it's very important to have the extra sensors on the back. So they have a lot of Dragon Eye that's set up on overpasses for when you drive through them to get hit from the back, that are set up on the side of the road. So again, having the extra sensors on the back of a Canadian car, very important. We have RX-TX, RX-TX here on the back. Again, completely bulletproof. Stay around for the testing videos. We have the rear radar, which is down here behind the bumper. So as far as the inside goes, again, pretty simple. So up here we have the Redenzo RCM controller. This is going to be the display and the controller all in one. Again, the Redenzo is going to control the radar. The AL priority can work through this unit here. So all of the alerts and everything are coming through this display unit up here at the top. So right now you're going to see us testing this system, see how well it does. We're going to be jamming up to the gun with various guns, and then we're also going to be jamming to kill with the Dragon Eye. So obviously you're going to drive around typically in a 4-second jamming mode in any defense unit that you're going to get, because obviously you're going to want the cop to get a reading eventually when he's shooting the car. So the system itself is going to jam for about 4 seconds, allowing you 4 seconds to slow down to go the speed limit, and then from there the cop will get a reading, and you will see all of those testing videos here right now. First pass is going to be unlimited jamming with the Stalker XLR from the front. So it should jam all the way up to the gun, all the way through, no reading. Just trying to get a reading. Trying to get a reading. Absolutely nothing, all the way up to the gun, fully jammed perfectly. This is going to be Stalker XLR from the rear, unlimited jamming. Nothing at all. Completely jammed all the way up to the gun from the rear. This is going to be unlimited jamming with Dragon Eye full size from the rear. Trying to get a lock. Absolutely nothing, jammed all the way up to the gun. It's going to be unlimited jamming with Dragon Eye full size from the front. See if we can jam all the way up to the gun. Try it. Absolutely nothing. It's going to be Dragon Eye compact from the rear, unlimited jamming. Absolutely nothing. 0 reading from the rear. This is going to be unlimited jamming, Dragon Eye compact from the front. that did really, really well. It's going to be the jamming to kill mode, so 4-second time mode. This is how you're generally going to ride around. So 4 seconds, it's going to kill the signal and then allow it to come through. Starting now. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004. So we had 4 seconds that allowed the driver to slow down. In this case, he was doing 86, but when he first gets hit, it blocks the signal for 4 seconds, and then it allows him 4 seconds to slow down to go whatever speed limit, to which then me shooting the car, we get a speed, knowing that he's going the speed limit and nothing's installed on this car. So that's how we generally are going to drive around. So thank you guys so much for following these videos. If this is the first time seeing any one of these videos, make sure you follow our YouTube channel. Make sure you subscribe. Hit that alert bell letting you know anytime we drop a new video. Make sure you share and subscribe. Here's my phone number followed by my email address. These are the 2 best points of contact. If you need to get a hold of me for a project, this is going to be the best way to reach out. Check out our website, musaicdesign.com/radar. This is where you're going to find all the radar laser integration jobs that we've done. Full build logs, videos, descriptions, testing videos, all of that you can see right here in one easy to find spot. Follow us on TikTok. Oftentimes you'll see videos like we're doing here on YouTube, on TikTok, well before it makes it to YouTube. They're a little bit easier to edit there, get them out quicker. There's a lot of radar laser integration stuff there on TikTok with testing videos, so go ahead and check that out. Follow us on Instagram. Here's our 3 handles below. And like always, guys, I appreciate you following. I appreciate the feedback.
Until next time, peace.